Welcome to Smart School, Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today we are going to see the tall and short, and tallest and shortest. So let's begin. Tall and short. First we will see the definition of tall. What is means tall? The object which have more height than other object is called tall. It means if there are two objects and one object is more heighted or one object is more heighted, then we can say that object is tall. Let's see what is short. Short. The object which have less height than other object is called short. It means if there are two objects and the one object has less height, then we can say that object is short. So in this example, if you see here, so this object has more height, so that's why it is tall, and this object has less height, that's why it is short. This is tall and this is short. Let's see more examples. Before going ahead, please look out our website, that is smartschool.infolips.com. You will find here a lot of educational informations: Marathi, Hindi, English, maths, science, GK. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and you can check our Android educational game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. Let's see more. Tall and short. Give a one dot for tall and give a cross for short object. So see here, there are two school buildings. So which one is tall and which one is short? So this first one is tall because this school building height is much more than this another school building. That's why we given a circle for tall and cross for short. This school building is short, and that's why we mark here cross. Let's see one more example. So there are toothpaste. So see here, the length, or we can say the height of this toothpaste is more than this. So that's why this is tall and this is short. Okay. Which object has a height is more than other object, then that is tall, and which is less height, that is short. Let's see some more example. See here, the first one, there are two tables. So this table has more height and this table has very less height. So that's why this first one, this red one, is tall and this short. So this table is short and this one is tall. Let's see one more example. See there are two birds. So one is ostrich and another one is duck. So this bird has so much height and this has very less height, so that's why this is tall, and this duck height is less, that's why it is short. Okay, let's see some more example. See there are two camels. So one camel has very big height. See here, and this one has very less height. Very less height. So that's why this one is tall and this one is short. So we will give dot for tall and cross for short. Okay, let's see one more example. See there are two jokers. One has this much height and another has this much height. So the bigger one is tall and smaller one is short. That's why this joker is tall and this one is short. So tall one give circle or dot and short one will give cross. Okay, I hope now you understand what is short and what is tall. Okay, so let's begin. Tallest and shortest. So first see tallest, the object which have more height than all, not only on other object but it should be greater or higher than all the objects, then only we can say it is tallest. So whenever we said tallest, that time we should compare more than two objects. It should be more than two. If it is only two, then it is tall or short. If it is more than two, then it is tallest or shortest. Similarly, shortest, the object which have less height than all is called shortest. It means which object has very less height than other two or more. In this comparison, at least three objects should be there or more than three. Then only you can say shortest or tallest or shorter or taller. Okay. Let's see some more examples of tallest and shortest. Say there, cross the one that is tallest and tick the one that is shortest. See another example, there are three camels. So first one has this much height, second one has only this, and third one has this. So see here the height is going increase. So the bigger one is tallest and the less one is shortest. It means the which object has big height, that object is called tallest, and which object has very less height among the three or more than three, then it is shortest. Okay, let's see more example. See there are three dogs. So first one has more height, second one has very less height, and third one has little bit more than that, but first one has greater among the all. That's why first dog is tallest and middle one is shortest. The tallest will get cross sign and shortest will get tick mark sign. Okay, so this one is tallest and this small one is shortest. Okay, let's see some more example. See here, again cross the tallest and tick the shortest one. See there are three animals. First one is cow. So cow has this much height. Second one is sheep. It is lamb. So it has only this much height. And third one is goat. Goat has this much height. So biggest one is cow and smallest one is lamb. So that's why the cross to cow and tick mark to lamb, because lamb has very less height and cow has more height among the all. Let's see one more example. See there are four objects, four trees. This first tree has this much height. Second one is little bit bigger than that. Third one is again less than first two, and fourth one is so high. So if you compare, then the fourth one is the tallest and the third one is the shortest, because this is very less height among the all. That's why fourth one is tallest and third one is shortest. Okay, let's see one more example. See, there are three bicycles. The first bicycle has this much height, second bicycle little bit more than that, and third bicycle is this much more than previous two. So that's why we can say the third one is tallest and first one is shortest. So cross to third one and tick mark to first one, right? See, now compare what is tall and short and tallest and shortest. A small concept to remember it. Once you remember this concept, then you will easily identify what is when we have to say tall and short and when we have to say tallest and shortest. See this picture. There are only two animals. When the comparison between only two objects, then only we can say it is tall or short. If there are only two objects, then only we have to use this tall. It means this is short and this is tall one. But the comparison between more than two objects, more than two, it means at least three objects should be there or more than that. See here, there are three bicycles, 2 and 3. The comparison between more than two objects, then we can say it is tallest or shortest. So if there is only three objects, then only we can say the smallest object is shortest and biggest object is the tallest. Okay, I hope you understand very well now. Now you will remember it forever. So thank you. If you like this video, then click the like button, and if you want to comment, then comment it, and please share with your friends. Also subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.